The e-commerce boom, your time is now. E-commerce is huge. It's only getting bigger. The digital marketplace is expanding at an unprecedented rate, and there's no sign of it slowing down. Every day, more and more people are turning to online shopping for convenience and variety. This is your chance to dive in and make your mark. You can be a part of it. No more excuses. The tools and resources you need are more accessible than ever before. Whether you're tech-savvy or a complete beginner, there's a place for you in the e-commerce world. Start your own online store. It's a straightforward process. With user-friendly website builders and templates, you can have your store up and running in no time. Selling online is easier than ever. You don't need to be a coding expert. Drag and drop tools make it simple to design a professional-looking store. There are platforms for every budget. From free options to premium services, you can find a solution that fits your financial situation. Don't let budget constraints hold you back. You can reach customers all over the world. It's an amazing opportunity. The global market is at your fingertips, allowing you to expand your reach far beyond your local area. Think of what you're good at. What do people need? Identify a niche or a gap in the market that you can fill with your unique skills or products. Find a product or service you love. Passion drives success. When you believe in what you're selling, it shows, and customers will be drawn to your enthusiasm. Share it with the world. Don't wait. The time is now. Use social media and other online platforms to spread the word about your new venture. Start your e-commerce journey today. You won't regret it. The satisfaction of your first sale and the potential for growth are just the beginning. Embrace the opportunity and watch your business flourish. Finding your niche. What will you sell online? This is one of the most important questions you'll face when starting an online business. The right product can set you up for success, while the wrong one can lead to challenges down the road. First things first, what are you selling? Are you passionate about it? Passion can drive you through tough times and keep you motivated. This is a big decision. Choose wisely. Consider your interests and expertise. What do you enjoy doing? What are you knowledgeable about? These factors can help you connect with your audience and build trust. Think about your passions. What are you interested in? What do you know a lot about? Your hobbies and interests can be a great starting point for finding a product that resonates with you and your potential customers. This is a good place to start. Once you have a few ideas, it's time to dive deeper. Next, do your research. What are people searching for online? Use tools like Google Trends, keyword planners, and social media to understand what's trending and what people are interested in. Are there any gaps in the market you can fill? Look for underserved niches where you can provide value and stand out from the competition. Finding the right niche is crucial. It can determine the success or failure of your business. It can make or break your business. Take your time. Don't rush this process. Evaluate all your options carefully. Find something you're passionate about and that has potential for success. With the right product and niche, you can build a thriving online business. Building your online store, from platform to products. Now it's time to build your store. Choose a platform like Shopify or Etsy. They make it easy to get started. Add your products. Write clear descriptions. Use high-quality photos. Make it look professional. Set up payment processing. Choose shipping options. Test everything carefully. Your website is your storefront. Make it inviting. Make it easy to navigate. Make it a pleasure to shop at. Spreading the word, marketing your e-commerce business. You've got a store, but having a store is just the beginning. The real challenge is getting people to visit it and make purchases. Now, get people to it. Marketing is key. Use social media, post engaging content regularly, run targeted ads to reach your ideal customers, connect with your audience on a personal level, learn about SEO, use the right keywords to improve your search engine ranking, get your website found on Google, offer discounts and promotions to attract new customers and retain existing ones. Run contests to engage your audience and create buzz around your brand. Get people talking about your brand. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and share their experiences on social media. Marketing takes effort, but it's worth it. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. Track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay consistent and patient. Good luck.